Where should you start with audio for your videos if you have a set budget? Well, if you have a minimum of $300 to start, I'm here with Rob at Sennheiser here at VidCon 2019, and we're going to talk about some options that you have. It's coming up. Hey, it's Michelle Osorio with Dare to Dream School, and if you have a business or personal brand where you're ready to invest a few $100s or more to start, I have Rob here from Sennheiser to talk about some of the product lines for 2019 if you're ready to get started with audio.
Audio is a very important part of your video, and it's something that a lot of people don't focus on necessarily. They're always focused on that perfect shot.
That's true.
And while that video feature is always important, people are going to turn off your channel, turn off your station, or turn off your tutorial if your audio is bad. It's definitely going to happen. So investing in your audio is extremely important, and at Sennheiser we have a product named XS Wireless Digital that allow you to quickly and easily get into great audio for your vlog or any of your other content creation that you might be doing.
It's so important to have good audio. It's an important investment, and I will say, I'm talking on a Sennheiser right now. These are mine. That's what I used in film school, and I've stuck with Sennheiser ever since, because I will say truthfully, you get what you pay for, and if you make that investment up front, they're not paying me to say this, then your equipment's gonna last. So that's something to think about if you're ready to invest for your business. So let's start with the first line in your product. You said this starts at $299?
Yeah, XS Wireless Digital just launched this year, January 2019. And we have a variety of different systems, but the systems we're focused on here at VidCon are dedicated to audio for video. So the systems start at $299, but the most common system is going to be our lavaliers, a 3.5 millimeter locking connector with an ME2 lav mic, which is one of our most popular lavalier microphones, and our receiver with cold shoe mount. And that system is going to be $349, and it's a great entry into getting great audio for your video. The nice thing about the system is it's entirely plug and play. You don't have to do anything other than turn the system on, turn it on, plug it into your camera, and you're good to go.
So if you're not familiar with lavalier, that's what I've got right here. It's the kind of microphone that you wear with you. It's mobile, and wireless is a really good investment for that sort of thing if you've got the budget for it, because it allows you to walk around. You can walk around and the audio stays the same. So that's why lavaliers are a good investment.
And one of the things that people don't always think about, especially if they're doing vlogging, is, well, maybe I'm going to be really close to the camera. So you could be doing something with a camera on a tripod, maybe you're only 3 feet away, something like that. But having the wireless freedom is an important part of being comfortable when you're on camera. And also, these products can grow with you. So if you're doing a seminar or anything where you want to record yourself, maybe you're going to be 20, 25, 50 feet away from your camera person, having a wireless option as opposed to a wired microphone always makes for a good investment. And again, the XS Wireless Digital at $349 for that lavalier set is a great place to start.
All right, so let's say that we've got somebody who's rolling in the dough. They're ready to invest a little bit more in their audio. What would be the next tier?
Well, for Sennheiser, a lot of things we do are in good, better, best. So XS Wireless Digital is going to be our good. And then our better will be our Evolution wireless systems. And those start off at around $599 for that comparable system in a UHF analog system, which if you don't know what that means, don't worry. It just means that it's not as plug and play friendly as XS Wireless Digital. And you have to know a little bit more about audio to get into the Evolution wireless series. And then above that, we have our AVX line. AVX is excellent in that same plug and play kind of concept. You have a receiver here that plugs into your either your DSLR or the side of your camera. Your choice of either a handheld microphone or a lavalier microphone, and these systems start around $700. So again, that's also plug and play. It just operates on different frequencies, whereas XS Wireless Digital is in 2.4 gig, which shares with Wi-Fi. AVX is in our 1.9 gigahertz, so you have a little more flexibility in terms of if you're in a crowded RF environment. So if you have more money to spend, you can get better audio acoustics, so that could be a better lav mic or a better handheld, and you can utilize that budget to have even better audio quality for your content.
Don't be intimidated if this seems intimidating. I just want to say, it's not.
It's plug and it really is. These two systems, if you want to be plug and play, XS Wireless Digital and AVX, if you don't know anything about audio, you can take these out of the box and you can be ready to go that minute.
Right. Perfect. Well, thank you, Rob. I did want to say real quick, if you're not ready to go to this level, we are also going to talk about microphone systems you can use for your phone, and specifically something you really need to know if you have one of the newer iPhones that have the Lightning connection. So make sure you check out that video as well. Catch you next time, Dare to Dreamers.
Whoosh. Want to go down this way?
Do, 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 do.